Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Ma. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. Happy birthday to you, Ma. Happy birthday to you.
भारत माता की जय। आज अगस्ट 15 रे माँकर 78तम जन्मदिवस रे मोर भक्तिपूर्ण प्रणाम, अनेक अनेक अभिनंदन। तांकर दीर्घ निरामय जीवन कामना करुची। श्री जगन्नाथंकर अशेष कृपा लाभ हेउ। सबु प्राणी तथा पशुपक्षींकर माँ अछंती, केतक निजर माँ को हराई सारे। तेबे आमर माँ आम मानक एपर्यंत अनेक आशीर्वाद दे चली। जीवन रो चला पथरे चालू चालू अनेक वर्ष बीतीगला। पुराणा स्मृति भितर रहीगलानी। बापा माँ भाई भौणी आउ बो को नहीं से 18 नंबर सेक्टर रो छोट परिवार। माँ आम मानक कष्ट सही जन्म देइचंती। से कष्ट केवल निजे बापा किंबा माँ हेले जाई अनुभव करी हुए। से निजे न खाई आम मानक पई साइती रखिचंती। स्नेह श्रद्धा ममता साहस दे आम मानक अनेक आगो को बढ़ाई। बापा माँ को ऋण सुझा तो बहुत कष्ट। माँ 1955 रु गाँ माटी छाड़ी आसला दिनठू निरंतर भाव में परिवार उन्नति कथा चिंता करिसंती। बापा सहित समस्त प्रकार सहयोग रक्षा करिसंती। व्यवस्थित भाव में परिवार सुपरिचालना दिगरे मन प्राण ढाली देइसंती। सबुठारु उल्लेखनीय घटना भितरे बापांकर असुस्थता समय रे दीर्घ 4-5 वर्ष तांकर निरंतर सेवा करी से एक उदाहरण पलटिचंती। वर्तमान समय रे तांकर पीपुल पब्लिक मैनेजमेंट मध्य खूब भल एवं सफलतारे परिपूर्ण। संक्षिप्त समय मध्य रे अनेक कथा उपस्थापन करी हेउ नाही। तेणु आज पुणी थरे यही शुभ अवसर रे अनेक अनेक शुभेच्छा जणाई रहूची। धन्यवाद।
यूं तो माँ शब्द अपने में ही संपूर्ण है। इसे परिभाषित करना या इसकी व्याख्या करना सागर के जल को बांधने के समान होगा। माँ कहने भर से ही हमारी आंखों के सामने ममतामयी, त्यागमयी, दयामयी, करुणामयी रूप चित्रित हो जाता है। अर्थात दुख को सहन कर अपने संतान के लिए रक्षामय रूप धारण करने वाली सिर्फ माँ होती है, सिर्फ माँ। हमारी माँ समर्थ, सक्षम, समझदार, गरीबों पे करुणा तो सगे संबंधियों पर प्रेम बरसाने वाली, बच्चों पे जान छिड़कने वाली है। उनका सामाजिक दायरा भी अति उत्तम है। सभी उनके प्रशंसक है। बापा के जाने के बाद भी अपने कर्म क्षेत्र में आज भी वो कर्मठ हो खड़ी है। अवसाद को दूर किए, प्रसन्नता का आवरण ओढ़े, छोटी छोटी चीजों में खुशियों को खोजती उनका यह व्यक्तित्व काबिले तारीफ है। जननी जन्मभूमि स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी, अर्थात माँ और मातृभूमि स्वर्ग से भी महान है। 15 अगस्त हम भारतीयों के लिए एक पावन दिवस है। संयोग से माँ का जन्मदिन भी इसी पवित्र दिन पड़ता है। माँ के 78वें जन्म दिवस और स्वतंत्रता दिवस के अवसर पर कोटि कोटि नमन अर्पण करते हैं। उनके उत्तम स्वास्थ्य, उनकी खुशियों की कामना करते हुए, साथ ही उनकी छत्र छाया व स्नेह से हम बच्चे सिंचित हो, यही हमारी प्रार्थना है, यही हमारी प्रार्थना है।
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi Ma, a very happy birthday to you. May God give you all the smiles in your life and never it should fade away. We have made a different video for you this time, including all the family members. We wanted you to give you a surprise. Well, you watch through and you will understand. My memories go down when you used to ask Bappa, why don't you celebrate my birthday? And Bappa would jokingly say, why should I celebrate one at home for you when the whole nation does it? Well, another small memory that comes to my mind is during your kitty parties at Rourkela with all the aunties, I used to conduct some games and I had asked one question. Ma, what did you miss out in your life most? You had very touchingly and intelligently answered, my childhood. Yes, because you had got married at a very young age. A mother goes through lot of struggles, lot of sacrifices and pleases everyone around her, and you are that perfect ma for us. In spite of your young age, you have given your step to step with Bappa and taught us many values in life to all the three siblings. You have taught us the honesty, the diligent, how we should be diligent at work, not to borrow money unnecessarily, keep accountability, believe in God, and not to have a pretentious life, and most importantly, smile and laugh from within. I still remember you always say, laugh from within, the smile should not be just on the lips. Ma, you are such a darling that even if I don't tell you my pain, you understand it. Every mother does, but you are so special to us, Ma. I remember especially after I was discharged from the hospital, almost every day you were calling me and finding out about my health problems, my diet, and everything that would put me back into my normal life, into my normal moods, most importantly. God bless you, Ma, again, and take care of yourself and take care of your health and happiness. Bye-bye from me right now. Have a good, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Auntie.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, start. Hi Ma, happy birthday to you. I hope you're doing well and hopefully you'll enjoy your birthday. I'm but we thought we'll send you these wishes. We're thinking about you at the mid-2006 Rastilo, Toronto, and we had gone to a restaurant. Maybe some photographs, so you can take a look at that and remember we had so much fun. Anyway, happy birthday again, and hopefully you get lots and lots of wishes, and wish you many, 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 many more years to come. Bye. Pinu.
What did I say? You already started recording. Hello, Auntie. Many happy returns of the day. Pinu and I are thinking about you. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. All our wishes and love with you. Love, Chanti.
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Ma! She is the Jadoo Ki Jhappi of our family, the one and all, my grandmother. Today is her birthday and we wish and pray in front of Lord that my Ma should be the one who should be blessed a lot, be your health the best. And do you know, she is just like a green tea where she can de-stress anyone, and she is the one who can speak to us at any hour, be it your problem, a small little problem or a big problem. She is the one who can give the best solution. And now let me welcome the new member to our family, and here he comes.
Hi Granny. आपन को जन्मदिन अनेक अनेक शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी. And here is a song dedicated to you from both of us. Start. बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, बस यही है आरज़ू.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Granny, happy birthday to you.
Bye.
Bye,
Enjoy the day.
Have a great day.
Hi, a very very happy birthday and also a very happy Independence Day. I love you so much. Tame iti thile, I would have given you a big hug and a kiss, but it's okay. Ebe pai nai. And thank you so much for everything. Jedi khaiba joli jai thao, nahale besi nuno padi jai thao, nahale jedi karo stitch bhari jai thao, nahale jaha bhi hele, jo bhi problem hele tom pakhre solution thai, and that's like amazing. So thank you for being my all-rounder eye, which is again the best I could ask for. So ebe pai to mora kichi nahi kahiya pai. I can express my love with just 2 lines, which is तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो. हाँ, एबे बाय बाय, लव यू.